Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how to downgrade your GTA 5 to an older version so that you would be able to use the Script Hook 5 mods while playing the game. So let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. Now recently the GTA 5 is upgraded to a newest version which is 1.0.35 something. So you are not able to use the script hook and keep on getting the critical error. So in order to resolve this issue, you need to downgrade your GTA 5, and to do so, first of all, launch your Steam, go to a library, right click on your GTA 5 and choose option properties. Now under the updates, you will find the option of automatic updates. From a drop down list, you need to choose the option wait until I launch the game. This will not let the game to update. After doing this, open up your web browser and download a tool with the name Depot Downloader. Scroll down and here is the third last link to download the Windows version of this tool. Save it into a PC. Now one more thing friends, this method only works for the Steam users. For Epic Games Launcher, you need to wait a while until I resolve the issue for the Steam. Now first of all, on the desktop, create a new folder. Now open the zip folder, select both the files, right click and choose option copy. You need to paste these two files in the folder that we have just created. Then in this address bar, click the mouse, delete whatever is present and type cmd and hit the enter key. This will open the command prompt. Now you need to type in the name exactly as it is right over here, which is Depot Downloader. Once enter the name, hit the enter key. Now right over here, you need to type in 4 commands one by one. All these 4 commands I will share you right in the description of this video. Copy the first command, paste right over here. Now after the pasting, you need to change the username as well as password. Right over username, you need to type in the username of your Steam. Like at my end, my username is Vijit Bankar. Now under the password, delete this password and from here type in your password, whatever your password is, like XYZ. After typing in the password, you need to hit the enter key. Like you can see right over here, it is showing that the error Steam initialization failed, which means that my credentials are not correct as it is showing right over here. So type in the correct username as well as password and this will download file. This way you need to download 4 files one by one. All 4 links are provided you right in the description of this video. Once all the 4 files are downloaded, again you need to launch the Steam, go to a library, right click on your game, choose option properties and under the installed files, click on option browse. Now all the files of the GTA 5 will be shown right over here. At my end, game is installed in F drive GTA 5. So to make sure that if anything goes wrong, you can do a restore, select all the files of a GTA 5, right click, copy and paste somewhere else to make a backup of this particular data. After making a backup, replace all these files with the downloaded one that we have downloaded using the Depot Downloader. After replacing the file, close the folder, restart your Steam and this will downgrade your GTA 5 version to a previous version. And if you are on the Epic Games Launcher, I have these 4 files. I will share the link to download these files right in the description of this video. Download the zip folder, copy these 4 files and again paste in the directory of the game, which is again at my end in F drive GTA 5. Copy the files from this folder to right over here in the installation directory and this will revert you to the older version of GTA 5 and in turn fix out the issue of script hook error 5 critical error. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.